When you buy your license from the actual conservation service in the Yukon, other than a commercial retailer, they give you this nice little packet for it, little wallet for it for free. Nice souvenir of the Yukon. So we're at the Smart River. We actually stopped by, it was 2022 when we stopped by here, just for a half hour, and I threw the drone up it, and I really wanted to paddle it. It looked so inviting. And then I came here in 2023 in September with Rita. I did paddle it maybe 2 kilometers. Rita didn't want to come, she was a little uncomfortable. So now we have a full day. We can paddle as much as we like. We've got our rods. See if we see some wildlife. I sort of want to see a wildlife, but I sort of don't. far away. Yeah, don't become bear shit. Do your best not to become bear shit. Never get out of the boat, man. So we'll see how we do. So far, easy paddling, eh? That's some scenery. This looks so Yukon-y, doesn't it? Sweepers, black spruce. I do like these sweepers, they're kind of cool. These trees falling over, you know, leaning, then we call them sweepers. If it was a fast river and you come down, you come around the corner and all of a sudden there's a sweeper across it. Well, this is the best weather. The 2 times I've been here, this is the best weather. It's always been cloudy or slightly drizzly when we've been before. So let's go over to the mud banks just to our right, 1 o'clock. I just want to see what sort of critter footprints are there. Last time it was all moose. I didn't see any bear footprints. Mush. It looks like moose already. Let's see.
Hard to tell because they're so low.
Yeah, I think they're all moose. Because nobody has a herd of cows here.
We haven't heard of cows.
Oh, I don't know. Let's go. I don't want to get out because it's not that bad. You always sort of peer around the corner to see what's standing in the middle of the river or whatever. There's a bunch of mergansers, I think, up or is it Canada geese? There's a bunch of herd of Canada geese in the water just ahead. We might have a choice here. I think one is an oxbow, the one to the right.
Oxbow is
Oh, an oxbow is sort of when the river makes a sort of almost a circle, cuts back on itself, makes a sort of round loop, and then over time that root loop gets cut off from the main river, so you have a sort of C-shaped lake or slough or whatever you want to call it. Oh, there's another grayling. Just cruising along. They don't seem too perturbed by the canoe. And another one over there. They like logs. Yep. It's a good thing if we fall out, we can walk ashore. Let's ram into the mud. There we go. So waiting, you just up ahead is that bar, that switch that I saw from the drone. That looks like that'd be a cool place to camp. With a 12 gauge. We'll have lunch. We'll go right to the point where it's really gentle slope. Yep. Slightly around the corner, around this log. You know, let's fish from shore here. Have a relax. Sure bought some of the chairs. Oh, that's just a log. I thought it was a beaver swimming. Unless it's a bear, just like...
looks like a crocodile.
That's weird. It's just bobbing in the current.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good place to... Yeah, it's a stump that's caught. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I hate this is that gravel that gets under your...
Yeah, exactly.
So we paddled a couple of kilometers up the Smart River. This is very isolated. There's no trail along the river, so it's just water access only on the BC-Yukon border. There's no sign of people ever. I'm sure do come up here by Canoe. They don't leave any trace. There's no footprints, no trail, no garbage. And the river just goes for miles north. This guy's a bigger one. Oh, that's a pretty fish. Mr. Drain. I want your photograph. Oh, that's Just floating down the lazy river. By the Beaver Lodge, one came up. Yeah, that's where it was. Right there. Hey, fuck you. Eat it. Eat the bug. Oh. Not that one. Caught my toes, my bare toes. Yeah. There, we got a clear view after this. Daniel plain view. Got to get back up on top of the water, right? Wow, that's a big one. Whoa, right in that hole. Oh, he's a chunker. He's very chunky. Oh, he's a nice fishy. So we're drifting back down, and he's casting as we go. And here is a grayling. Whoa, that's colorful guy. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I'll let you net him yourself. You can just flick him off, right? Whee! Got a wind knot in it. Whee! We're jumping grayling. There you go, grayling. Oh, he's gonna. There, nice. There's a nice grayling. Aren't you? You're a nice grayling. It's just on the tip of your. Are you off? Yeah, you're off. Flies off. Here. Look at nice grayling. That's the grayling. Oh, somebody bit him at one time. Off you go. Be off with you. The Alaska Highway. It's funny, it's been there here. They built it in 42, right? And just paddle up here.